Let's learn how to convert kilograms to pounds. In this example, we'll convert 175 kilograms to pounds. To convert between kilograms and pounds, we need to know the conversion factor. 1 kilogram is approximately equal to 2.20462 pounds. To convert any number of kilograms to pounds, we multiply the number of kilograms by this conversion factor. Let's set up our calculation. We'll take 175 kilograms and multiply it by 2.20462 pounds per kilogram. Notice how the units of kilograms cancel out, leaving us with pounds as our final unit. Now, let's multiply these numbers together. To visualize this conversion, imagine we have a stack of 175 1-kilogram weights on one side of a scale. This would be equivalent to about 386 pounds on the other side. Therefore, 175 kilograms is equal to 385.81 pounds. In most practical situations, we can round this to 386 pounds. Remember, whenever you need to convert from kilograms to pounds, just multiply the number of kilograms by 2.20462.